Well, here we are with Molly's little boy Sailor and my May's two babies. We got Sedona, and then back there is Santos. Let's see if we can get them playing. I had an early visitor to meet the puppies, and now I think their morning spurt of energy is gone. Yeah, they're tuckered out now. Come on. Come on, Santos. Come on, there we go. There we go. We had our first bath and nail trimming yesterday and took pictures. They just got all snazzed up and they did so good. Oh, what, Sailor? What? Are you saying, take me, take me? Is that what you're saying? Yeah? Oh my goodness. Oneida's puppies can see all the other puppies and they're having a fit. I'm going to have to give them an X-pin and let them come out and play. They're about that age now. Well, come on, babies. Let's play a little. Huh? You want to play a little? Yeah, there we go. We went to the vet on Thursday and everybody checked out perfectly. So we're good to go. I'll be making calls to the people on my wait list to see who wants to take these little beauties. Well, come on, guys. They don't want to watch you sleep. Let's play a little. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're being noisy, baby. They're very sweet, gentle puppies. They don't make a lot of noise. They're not super barky or anything. They're just sweet. Faye, shh, 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 shh. I have a visitor that can see me and wants me. Because the kitchen's right behind me. Come on, babies. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on. They're using their potty park really well. So if you get a potty park, you should be able to have success with housebreaking, because they'll have a safe, a way to be successful while you're trying to transition them to going out. Faye. Sailor. All right, well there you have Molly's little boy Sailor and Maya May's two babies, Sedona and Santos.